God bless you. My fellow human being, because I think personally I'm sick and tired of using the word your fellow Nigerian, because I know there is never fellow Nigeria for now, unless when the Peter Obi comes in power as the president of Nigeria, then we can manage to say my fellow Nigerians. But for now, there is no any fellow any Nigerian. I thought your president Buhari said that he bought choppers. What's it called? Vigilante choppers, security choppers that goes around to dictate where is the criminals, where is the bombers, his brother S-men, and this one S-men and S-women. So what is going on? Now, Kuje prison in your state, in your city, is now invaded by some unknown S-men. So those unknown S-men living in Abuja, I know what you guys are doing, I know what you are up to. But sorry to disappoint all of you, that you think that doing all this nonsense we disorganize Peter Obi being the president of Nigeria, as in the youth, the young youth taking over this country that is our own country. It's not possible. You lie. My name is His Royal Highness King Jeff Agugbaola, is in the one of United Arab Emirates, one of Enugu State. Let me tell you something you don't know. Do you think that it has been happening? You think that it's manipulation of people taking over, switching power, doing mago leadership, overthrowing after the PVC voting? You will manipulate as a manipulators. Sorry to disappoint you. That was there. Let your eyes clear. Let your eyes shine well. This is now. You know what this is? You know what it is? Owadogo, all of you, the Nigerian government, Owadogo, all of you, all the leaders, Owadogo, all of you. Because this very one, Owadogo, all of you, P2B, Owadogo, everybody know you have no option. You got like here, you can't by force. You got like here. If you like, make you no like, or like to like, you must like him. That this leadership comes 2023, 2023 is for P2B as the president of Nigeria. So from there, we can have new governors that is young and calm mentalities. We can have new leaders, young leaders. All these old cargos in the Senate, all these old cargos in all these places, we will remove the spirit of old cargos. Anyone that will stand, any old cargo that will bring a suggestion again that will make people be not to stand. Holy Ghost fire to your family. Holy Ghost fire to your heart. Your heart will begin to have a heart problem. Holy Ghost fire to anything you believe and anything, any evil enchantment you're doing. I'm doing this enchantment in this midnight. Because spiritual control the physical. Arise, let me see you. When the Lord said that any enchantment against me, King Jeff Agugbaola, shall be destroyed. And the mouthpiece of God, you know what he says? He said, I've given authority and power to my highness, to the king, to speak. Because the heart of a king is in the hand of God. The heart of a king is in the hand of God. My heart is in the hand of God. Dare not you touch, dare not you think, because touch not my anointing and do my prophet no harm. Let me give you the worst thing you don't know. Kuje prison. Who are the people that responsible of shooting or fighting? This is no longer Nnamdi Kanu arrangement. Hello, somebody. Don't be surprised. Tomorrow they will give you a bad news that where Nnamdi Kanu was, where they put him now. Some people went there, they shoot him, they fire, they open around. So because Abuja is not no security in Abuja. Because I don't understand. Okay, the head of state, the head of capital, Abuja, is no longer safe for such people to go and fire Kuje prison. And you tell me, you are one Nigeria, you tell me, you want leadership, you want your party to win, you want your party to come back in power, to rule who? Who will rule? Owadogo? All these president and governor and the ministers and the senate, Owadogo Munchanine, P2B, Owadogo everybody. And let me tell you something, Owadogo. He like a 1 million, he like a olive oil. All I say, there, no man in a cup, Bunyagi, or Wada. Okija, Obodogo Gibadi, Obodogo, there's no man, there's nothing, there's no man anything. You Obodogo badly. Because all of you are vampires, you are blood-sucking demons, instigators, instigating the young youth, instigating the old criminals to cause havoc in Nigeria. That's what you do. Sharing bloods everywhere. Bringing all these things to toil with the leadership of P2B is not possible. This time around, everybody eye door open. Everybody eye see here this time around. Carry your mago come. And the thunder of heaven strike all of you that will sit down to plan that nonsense. In a table where you will sit down, in any room, boardroom where you will sit down to plan or plant evil that will disorganize the leadership of P2B. Holy Ghost fire to your family. Holy Ghost fire to your generation. Holy Ghost fire to your phone. In fact, your phone that we used to do that contact, may the thunder blast that phone. The phone will miss connection. We miss contact the day you will go for that meeting. It shall never be well with all of you. All these blood-sucking demons that fool everywhere in Nigeria say you're leading, you're ruling. May ruling kill your family. May leading kill your generation. Animals, vampires, idiots. Nonsense. Share this garden video. I'm still His Royal Highness King Jeff Agugbaola. FJ the King is the name. FJ the King is the name, the music name. The mind behind the money Walan Colombo. Attitude for your mind. Oh boy, day your own, maintain. If you know one wahala, serious kasala, causing by all these wicked leaders, causing by all these wicked people. Or mankihan, amanko knows all motherfuckers. Share this garden video and follow my Instagram page at JDKing7. In case you don't know, you must know by force. Thank you very much. God bless you.